Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to install and run Black Myth Wukong properly. First things first, watch the full video before doing anything. A lot of people skip the video and then ask the same questions in the comments. Right-click the setup file, go to Properties greater than Compatibility, select Windows 7, and check Run this program as an administrator. Also, give it full control in security settings. Once the setup starts, turn off the background music. It eats up a little CPU. If you have 16 GB RAM or more, uncheck that option. Then click Next and install the game on a drive that has enough space. So make sure you have enough space on your HDD or SSD before starting the installation. Once you reach this screen, you'll see some optional extras. Uncheck all of them because they require an internet connection to download. If you don't have internet or don't want to download extra stuff, just uncheck everything. First, extract the HV converter and run it. It will convert all your files from the HV version to the normal version. Let it finish completely, then press any key to close it. Next, extract the crash fix file. Copy the two files from the Voice38 folder and paste them into your game directory. Replace the old files when it asks. Go to your desktop, right-click the game icon, and run it as administrator. It should launch without crashes if your PC meets the requirements. Quick tip for best performance. Install the game on an SSD and make sure you have at least a 6 GB GPU. Low-end GPUs will still struggle with loading times and shaders. Subscribe to help out, to achieve the 1,000 subscribers milestone because we have completed the watch time criteria already.